Welcome back to my channel. The winter's getting closer and closer. Right now it's August, but winter will come up fast. And one thing I want to do this winter is I want to be able to work in my workshop this winter. And there's no way I'm going to be able to do it without insulating it and maybe getting a wood burning stove in here. You can see I got my CNC all back together, but it's still, you don't have much, the walls don't have much insulation. So basically what we're going to do, I'm going to use a closed cell spray foam, and we're going to spray foam this whole shop. And this shop is 60 by 34. And just to give you an idea, to spray foam a shop this size, 3 inches thick on the walls and the ceiling is right around $25,000. Pretty expensive, but well worth it. Anyway, yeah, today we're going to spray foam. We've moved everything outside, and yeah, I'll show you how it's done.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, which make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past.
First up, we bring in a little small scissor lift, and this guy's towing truck was pretty cool. The way that bed bifolded, I mean, it's sticking out there 15 feet. He could just roll that thing out there and then lower it down. Pretty cool. Anyway, we get the scissor lift and get started foaming. These barrels have to be heated up. You have an A and a B, and they got to be heated up to 120 degrees. And it comes out of this spray nozzle at 120 degrees. And the hose is even, it's got electric heating on the hose also. He uses a little poker to actually poke up through the foam to check his depth, and that's how you kind of keep an eye on making sure that it's 3 inches thick. You use this little poker and just kind of poke around as you go, and it turned out really good. Make it nice and thick. And there you go, one closed cell foam building. I actually foamed these outside doors. These are, I decided to seal these two outside ones off because I don't really need to get in from there, and I can put my stuff on wheels, swiveled around. But the whole shop, walls and ceiling is all done in 3-inch thick foam. And I started moving back in, and here you can see the walls. They're nice and hard. It actually, it creates a little bit of a structural envelope, especially up on the ceiling. It really does a little bit of a good job in not only insulation, but a little bit of a structural. And then right here, I did my whole CNC room. The reason being is I thought it would help with sound. Eventually I'm going to put some barn doors here, and maybe when I'm running a long program, it'll help with sound. But it's pretty much a mess right now. I'm working on getting my vacuum system put back together. I'm working on, this whole area is gonna be all, you know, my clamps, my tool, everything that's on wheels is gonna be kind of over here so I can move it around. And then also did the storage room. All the walls are done. Did the ceiling of the office. And yeah, actually the guys did a great job. Yeah, I have no complaints. It really came out good. And you can tell, like right now, it's pretty hot outside right now. And you can tell that it's cooler inside this garage. Anyway, yeah, closed cell spray foam. Is it worth it? Yeah, I think it's worth it. And you can paint this if you want, actually, but eventually I'm planning on drywall on it someday. Probably be a while, but yeah, you can see ceiling, yeah, 3 inches thick, all in the whole thing. It turned out really good. Anyway, closed cell spray foam in my shop. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple.